what to say. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a haul on what I got for Christmas and some things I got for myself. These two from Bath & Body Works, one is the body lotion, one is the shower gel in Spiced Gingerbread Swirl. This body tanning stuff, and this is in the shade Dark. I got a lot of lip stuff, so first I got this little lip kit from Bite. They're all different colors. They're more neutral, but this is a darker red. And then another red. And I'm pretty sure these two are nudes. This one's a nude. And so is this one. But they're just little like travel size ones just to be able to try out if I like the Bite Beauty formula or not. Then I got this Kylie lip kit. This is the Sorta Sweet Lip Trio. And what comes in this is a velvet, a matte, and a gloss. The gloss is in Glitz. I don't know if this one's the matte, Malibu, and then the velvet is Boy Bye. So those three are another thing I got for lips. And then I got the Kylie OG Lip Trio, and I believe they are all mattes. Yeah, they are all mattes. I got the whole holiday collection from Kylie. This one is the lip liner and the lipstick with the packaging. This one is in Christmas. So these two are something else I got. And I got this, it's a lipstick from the same collection. It's in Milk and Cookies. I think this is a pinky purple color. If I could open it. Oh, this is a gloss. So this is really pretty. It's like a pinky purple gloss. Then I got Cold as Ice. This is one of her lipsticks. Getting glitter all over me. This is her packaging for her lipsticks. And this is the color. It's not something I would wear a lot, but I definitely like the packaging, so I could definitely try it out. And I got one of her highlights. I've never tried any of Kylie's stuff, so like I was really excited to get this. This is in Snow Angel. The packaging's wicked cute. This is what it looks like inside. Then I got this lip collection. This comes with No Peeking, December, Under the Tree, Naughty is the New Nice, Sweater Weather, Small Wonder, Hot Cocoa, and Snowball. These are really cute to travel with too. And then lastly, from Kylie's winter collection, I got the palette. It was in Chill Baby. The packaging's wicked cute, but there's like glitter everywhere. I think the colors are like really cool. They're different. I don't have a lot of these in my collection already. Mr. Claus is really pretty too. So this is what it looks like. And then I think this is my last thing from Kylie. Yeah, this is my last thing from Kylie. This is the KKW and Kylie lip collection. Soul Sister, Double Trouble, Twinning, and Main Bay. I love the packaging of these. These are like matte ones. It's like a matte brown charcoal color, but they're really pretty. Got that one, this one, this pinky one. This one looks really pretty too, and this one. So that's it for Kylie stuff, and then I'm just gonna start going in random orders, lip stuff mostly because I want to get that stuff out of the way. So I got this Fenty Beauty in Uncensored. This is the red one. I love the packaging of this. I'm excited to try this one out. It's like a true red. That's it swatched on my hand. So this is my last lip thing. I got a little trio from Sephora. This is just the Grand Lips. These are supposed to like plump your lips, but I think this one's the only one that works. I tried it. We'll see how it goes. And then I'll move on to, I got highlighters. So I got another one of the Amrezy and Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighters. This one's really pretty. I've used it, but I love the color because it can literally look good on anybody. And I got the new Fenty Beauty highlighter with, obviously, by Rihanna. This one's in How Many Carats, and this one's just like a wicked pretty universal color. This is what it looks like. So those are my two highlighters. Then I guess I'll just go into the random stuff. So I got this Anastasia Liquid Glow in Bronzed. I've tried this once and I actually really liked it. And I got this NARS Climax mascara. This one's nice too. It's just not the best for me, but I definitely like it. I like the packaging a lot. Then I got the Glam Glow Setter. I've wanted this. I like the mist. It's like a really nice mist. I saw this all over Facebook and Instagram and I wanted to try it. This is the eyebrow enhancer. It's supposed to make your eyebrows grow, so I'll let you know if that works. Then I got this CoverGirl Healthy Elixir foundation. I got it in 710 and I've been using it a lot and I actually really love it. I got these Allure eyelashes and I don't know what design these are. I'll insert the design of them in the description box, but these are really pretty. Now on to palettes. So a little before Christmas I got all the Morphe and Jekyll & Hill palettes. I live for her, but this is just one of them. This one is the Ring the Alarm, and then I have this one with me too, and this one's in Armed and Gorgeous. So those two is what I got. I brought this with me. This isn't really new, but this is another thing that I really like. This is the Huda Beauty Gold palette remastered. This one's really pretty too. Anytime I like use this palette, I get asked what palette it is, so. I got the Thirsty palette from Jeffree Star. This is one of my favorites too. I really like the shimmers in here and the pops of color. I got the Born to Run palette by Urban Decay. I love the mirror in this, and these colors are literally like everything. You could literally do any look you want. But the packaging is like amazing. Just makes me want to travel. And then in my Boxy Luxe, I got the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette and the one that's Holy Grail. And it's really pretty. I like these shades a lot. I never tried Violet Voss before this, and I really like it. I also got this Anastasia Cream Contour Kit in Light, and I haven't ever tried this or heard much about it, but I'm interested in trying it. So I got the new Nude palette by Huda Beauty. I love when these are in them. They're like so pretty. But I'm wicked excited to use this. This is so pretty. I have not tried that yet. And then I got the Natasha Denona palette in it's the gold palette. And I'm so excited to use this. When everybody was posting it, I was just like so excited. I can't wait. This is so pretty. I love the blues, and the shimmers are like wicked weird. They're like so different. And then lastly, I got the Jaclyn Hill brush set. This is all of them because I really wanted to get them, but I couldn't afford it at the time, so I'm thankful my mom got them for me for Christmas. But this just has all of them, the face, the eye, and I think there was one more set, but this is all of them. I have not tried them yet because I have her other brush set and I've been using that, but I will let you guys know how they are. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up down below. Thank you so much. Bye guys.